Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video we are going to learn about how to get data bars in our data columns without adding any additional chart. So let's see, we have our details here of an employees along with their names, ID number, hire date, number of years they have worked with us, salary and other details, right? And coming to our first example, what we want to do is to add data bars in the column years to get graphically suited data bars to see that which employee have worked with us the most and which employees have just joined us in past some years, right? And to get that thing graphically, we can see also see the numbers, but yeah, to get a graphical representation is always better than seeing at the numbers. So let's see. I'll just select this column, then go to Home tab, and then Conditional Formatting, and then go to data bars, and it will gives me the option to select the data bars in two types. One is gradient fill, which goes transparent to the right, and the solid fill. So for now I'll just select the solid fill and see we have successfully added data bars in this column. But one problem you must be facing, that these data bars are overlapping with the numbers. And to remove this problem, you must be thinking, why shouldn't I just increase the size of the column? So let's see, will it work or not? So you can see that as I have increased the size of the column, it has also increased the size of the data bars. So that thing will not work. So how we can do that? How we can solve this? So we have a simple solution here. First, we have to select this column, go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, and manage the rules. And come to Edit Rule, and see it gives me option to uh, adjust the size of the data bars. Minimum is automatic and maximum is automatic. And to reduce the size of the data bar, I will change the maximum size from automatic to number, and let's type this number as 50 and then apply. Now we can see that it have increased the decreased the size of the data bar, but this length is too short, so let's just decrease the maximum by 40 and then apply. Yeah, this sounds fine, and then press OK. So guys, this is how we can get the data bars and uh, solve the problem of overlapping in data bars in columns. And now coming to our second example, we will get data bars in salary column, and in the same process I will get data bars here. mm, Maybe this one. Yeah, so same problem of overlapping, right? Let's just increase this size and manage the rules, and the maximum length would be 150,000 and apply. So it have decreased the size of the data bars, but not that much, right? So I will just, yeah. So yeah, it have the length of the data bars is decreased, but yeah, if you want to decrease it more further, you can increase the size of the maximum size as you want. So there is one more option here, uh, to show data bars only. So this is being used for sensitive data like salary. In every organization, salary is a quite sensitive data. So we can just select this option, press OK, and apply. So now we can see that we can see the data bars but not the salaries. So whenever you're going to present this data to anyone, he will not be able to see the uh, actual numbers of the salary. But when you go to any cell here, you can see that figure in the formula tab, right? So yeah, so this is how we can use the data bars in conditional formatting. And the last topic we have for today is how to get data bars for negative data. So let's come to our next data. Yeah, here. So we have our data details here, like month and profits in millions. Um, and we want to add data bars in this column. So the same procedure we have to follow. Go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, and get data bars. Now you can see that for the negative figures, it has automatically created a data bar on the left side, right? And also it have make the negative figures as shown as red. But yeah, we can change it whenever we want, right? So let's see how to do that. We'll go to edit rule and then negative value and axis settings, and go to fill color and choose any color you want. I want a color like, okay, yellowish could be fine, and press OK. Apply. So yeah, this is how we can get data bars for negative and positive figures. So yes guys, that's it for today. So and in our next video we are going to learn about how to get color scales in by conditional formatting. And if you like our content, please hit like, subscribe and share in our channel. And please share this video with anyone who is suffering with Excel. And if you have any comment or any query, please ask in our comment box and we will surely get back to you. Thank you. Bye.